Welcome to our full beginner's guide on creating a stunning website with Squarespace. If you're ready to dive in, let's get started. Choosing the right template is the first step in your Squarespace journey. Explore diverse designs that match your vision and brand. Let's take a quick overview of the Squarespace dashboard. It's intuitive and user-friendly, perfect for beginners. Now we'll customize your template by editing text, images, and layout. Make it truly yours. Every website needs essential pages. Let's add a home, about, services, and contact page so visitors can easily navigate. Integrating social media is key. Learn how to add links and feeds to engage your audience. Ready to sell? Setting up an online store with Squarespace is simple. Let's walk through the steps together. Optimizing for SEO is crucial for visibility. We'll cover basic techniques to help your site rise in search results. Let's ensure your site looks great on all devices. Mobile responsiveness is key in today's digital world. It's time for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's do the final checks and get your website live.